by Excel with Samriti, cue cards with Samriti. So here's the second cue card topic, that is describe a daily routine that you enjoy, what it is, where and when you do it, who do you do it with, explain why you enjoy. A daily routine can help us stay organized, productive and motivated throughout the day. My daily routine include activities that I enjoy, providing me with the satisfaction and accomplishment. Here I would like to talk about a daily routine that I enjoy and look forward to. My daily routine begins with waking up early, usually around 6:30 a.m. I then make myself a cup of coffee and spend some time reading the newspaper or listening to the radio. After this, I will typically run around my neighborhood and return home to shower and get dressed. I then have breakfast with my family and spend some time catching up on emails or any other task. After this, I will usually go to work or school depending on the day. My daily routine usually take place in my home but can also take place in other locations such as my workplace or school. As mentioned before, I usually begin my routine around 6:30 a.m. which typically ends around 8 p.m. when I go to bed. I usually do my daily routine alone but sometimes do it with my family. This is especially true for breakfast when my family and I came together. I enjoy my daily routine because it helps me stay organized and productive throughout the day. Having a routine helps me stay focused on my tasks and goals for the day, and it also helps me stay motivated. Additionally, I enjoy spending time with my family during the morning breakfast, and physical activity from my morning jog helps me stay in the shape. Overall, my daily routine is something that I look forward to each day, which is not a piece of cake, and it helps me stay on track. Thank you for watching. Idiom used here is